Students of UP Board Class 12 English Short Stories, Story 1, The Gold Watch, in Part 1. This story, The Gold Watch, has been composed by Ponjikar Rafi, who is a writer from Kerala. His stories and novels are written in Malayalam. His stories deal with the life and problems of working class. In this story, our protagonist and the main character is Sanku. And I am going to narrate this story in this English version, and I hope you will enjoy this story and will understand, and you will pay attention to this story because you will have to attempt so many questions based on this story. Actually, this story is of a worker who is working in a factory, who is very poor. His earnings is very meager, his earnings are very short, but his expenses are more than his salary. Now he is very tension and botheration how to pay his debts, but he is not able. This story begins when he is trying to sleep and he is not able to sleep at all. He is turning and tossing on a torn mat, but he is not able to sleep. He had passed such nights in past days, but today he is in the same condition. He is not able to sleep. So many thoughts are crossing to his mind, and he is trying to solve his problem in his thoughts. Now the night is dark and everything is in the darkness. His eyes are closed. Even he is able to see his office. He is visualizing his office, and he is recalling all his efforts through which he was trying to steal the watch. Actually, he had been postponing his program of stealing the watch because of his pious and gentle heart. He was visualizing the deserted area of his office where there was nobody, even in the office and in the lobby too, because everybody was in the mess to take lunch. There was nobody, and it was the golden chance to steal this story. He visualized the open glass window, and he sees the table lying in the office of the engineer of his factory, and on the table there were fat volumes of the files and other papers and other material of the office, and there was one and the most important thing, that was none other than the gold watch lying on the table. It was just a feet from his hand. He was imagining to open the window, put his hand inside the room, and just to pick up the gold watch. He was remembering his efforts that he had done in the past days because he was not able to do so. Why? Because he was feeling full of cowardice, and his vacillation during the past few days. Vacillation means his weak desires did not make him steal. He was not able to steal at all. He had postponed this stealing program so many times. He is thinking there how to steal. He is feeling breathless. He is feeling very unusual with this thought. Now he takes a firm resolution that it is not good to postpone again and again. And now he will not postpone. Now he will not put it off any longer. It means he will just steal it the next day. He is afraid of that if he thinks it again and again, he might speak the secret before anybody. So it would not be better to postpone this program. So he takes a resolution that the next day he will definitely steal the watch, because after selling it he will be able to pay his debt. Dear students, in the next part 2 of the gold watch in English version, you will come to know whether Lancho stole the watch or not. Keep on watching ORSC classes of English. Thanks.